Hello, thank you very much because you choose my video, and today already we go make very old recipe. This is even some Egyptian he not know what is this, because this is very old, and already because now all the people like cooking very fast and the food not take much time with him like that. A lot of not make it, but we go already make it today. Name this dish, this is meat kamounia. We go together, see the recipe and make it together. I have already 1 kilo meat veal, and with this is a spoon I have 2 common spoon here. This is very easy recipe, and I do already 2 spoon salt, but the salt like your taste. And the onion, this is today the king. The onion need to be the same the scale for the meat, like that. If you already go make half kilo meat, you make also half kilo onion. 1 kilo meat, 1 kilo onion. I have 1 kilo meat and also 1 kilo onion, and also I need to have garlic. This is full bowl garlic. And I also do hot pepper. Sometimes people not like this is spicy, not do anything. And you need to have butter, and you need to have pan. This all the recipe. This is too easy, but taste very nice. Okay, I go already cut everything, and after that I show you how I cut this, and we go cook this together. Okay, now already I cut everything like this. I cut the meat like square like that, and the garlic and the onion. This is the pepper. Okay, some people say, yeah, we need to do inside black pepper and need to, but this is the old original recipe. The people already before, like grandmother, already make it like that. Okay, we go already cook together. We have our pan here. Also, you not use any oil in it, only butter. We need to do inside 2 3 spoon butter, like I do now. Okay. And leave already the butter go melt, and also go hot very much. Today already we play with the fire, because we start very hot, and after that go very down with the meat inside. Okay, we already melt it nice, and also this is need to be very hot. Why? Because we already we like to keep the moist inside the meat. And also Veal meat, this is nice because this is can already cook fast and more easy for the time. If different kind of meat, this is can more longer time, take more longer time. We cook today together, and today we not go with the onion first, we go with the meat first. Yes, start to go hot. You need it very hot. I'm going to start to take the meat and go like that. Okay, this is the meat. I do it like that for 3 minutes, something like that. But because I not take much time, after I finish, I show you. Yes, now already this is take color like that. See the color? I not cook it, only I make color because I leave the moist in. After that I go with the onion, all the onion in. For the someone not know this recipe, think this is crazy, this all onion, but believe me, this is taste very nice. And the end you not see any onion inside. And go with the garlic in, and not do any salt and any cumin, because if we already do the salt now, this is difficult for the meat. Let's go cook easy. And if we already do the cumin now, this is make it like butter. We already, after already like 2.5 hours. Yeah, this but about this is also about your stove. Yeah, but this is take much time because you need already to make it in very low fire. You mix it nice together like that. We start to already go down with the fire. Also can do the pepper. And I see how much this steak exactly with me, and after that I say also for you. Okay, now we already do everything in and make the fire very low, almost like you make rice. Very small fire. Now we can say for this dish goodbye for now, and we already start to check after 1 hour, something like that, how this look, and close again till the meat done and you not see any onion in it. Okay, after this done, and I already come back and I say for you this steak. Before this done, because I show you when this how look, you need to do the cumin and the salt. Okay, after 1.5 hours now, we can see what we get. Yes, we can turn it a little bit like that, and we can now do only half the cumin in. Half the cumin, this is one teaspoon, like that. We see already the onion make a lot of water. We need to leave it when we not see the onion anymore. I can see the onion, but little, not. Okay, I leave it. After this done, we go already do the cumin in and do the salt in, and I come back for you. Okay, now after 3 hours, we can see how this look. Yes, this look nice. You can see how this look now. Now we can do the rest for the cumin, and also we can do the salt in. Smell very nice. Okay, now also we can serve it. the Egyptians say. لحمة كمونية. Now this is look like that. Thank you very much because you watched my video, and I see you in next video. And please not forget support my channel with subscribe and like, and not forget the bell. And happy new year for everyone, and I see you next dish.